Hey guys, George, Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at Sugar. As you can tell by the sign, up here on Sunset Walk, just outside Margaritaville, Orlando. And guys, this is one of our favorite places, but they have made some changes while we're here today. So first off, we'll just show you some of the candy. So what I love about Sugar is they have every kind of candy you've ever named in your entire life, but what they have is this gigantic. Look at this Swedish fish tin. So you want big candy, they got big candy. Wait, I gotta show you this. Now that, that is a licorice. I've never seen twist that big. I mean, it's as big as my arm. And then they have the gigantic lollipops, and look at those charm pops. Come on. That's awesome. So they have that kind of stuff, novelty. They have the t-shirts, which are really kind of cute. They have the nerd t-shirts, I think are just awesome. And then they have packs of candy, and then really just it goes back kind of what I like about the store. It takes those things that are in our childhood and our memories and tweaks it. So they have all they have the Hershey's cookies and cream popcorn, Hershey's Reese's peanut butter popcorn. I mean, it's just a spin ding dong popcorn. Come on, how cool is that? And then they're making a cotton candy, Skittles cotton candy, and Star Wars cotton candy. So it's just that twist, right? So it's really cool. When you keep going down the wall here, they have all their sodas and syrupy stuff, but they just started bringing in some of this novelty stuff. So it's a bouquet of flowers, but it's all gummies. It's kind of neat. And now they brought this like here's a mac and cheese big container. It's a stuffing. Okay, cool. Then they have marshmallow stuffies, right? But then they have, this is goo. Or slime, I'm sorry, slime. And this flavor scented slime. So, and then they have Chinese food containers, but it's candy. And then they have a bonito box of sushi, but it's candy. It's kind of cool. So they're really changing out what they have, which is neat. So I'm gonna back out a little bit so you guys can see it. And what they're bringing in, which we have seen in other places, which is great. I'm gonna swing around here. I just noticed this. This is new for both of us. They're bringing in stuff from Japan. And we're seeing a lot of this because in Japan, they take our flavors and they modify it. For the Disney fans out there who love Epcot, obviously the Japanese pavilion has all this. But it looks like they brought some stuff in. Now here's the neat part, the Kit Kats. Totally different. This is a spirulina Kit Kat. It's green, it tastes a little earthy. Totally different. Now this, I believe, is a strawberry one. But these are legit candies from Japan. And they just continue. So they have all that, which is great. They have, for our Hello Kitty fans, they have an entire wall of Hello Kitty with Japanese print, which is great. And then they can do stuffies. Stuffies are kind of new here. So we can keep going around. We'll go over here, then I'll do the whole middle, because the middle is a whole other thing. So they continue with all these clothing, which is, you know, just an extra added. They got mugs, and you know, Florida Park After Dark, we love our mugs. This is a great one. Not your average dad. Holiday's coming, hint, hint. So they got the stuffies, you know, the sour guys, and the nerds. The nerd guys are awesome. Look at him. He's great. Big Oreo pillows and all that. And then they have all the cool sours and all that. We're gonna keep going up. I'm gonna show you one other thing down here, then we're gonna do the whole middle. Big lollipops. It's sugar lollipops. And Florida Parks After Dark, we love our lollipops. They have freeze-dried candies. Those who have not had freeze-dried candy, you put it in your mouth and it has a whole different texture and the sweetness is just muted. Totally different experience when you have freeze-dried stuff. All the stuffies. Look at this gummy bear. It's the size of my fist. So here's something new that we just came in. It totally befuddled me when I came in. Is at first glance, I went, wait a minute. They have canned vegetables. No. If you look at the labels, it's gummy carrots, so it's candies. And it's not, it's plastic, but it's just really cool packaging. Really just totally different. So they are just going a whole different way here. We love it. We love it. Now the middle is where all the fun is. I'm gonna just pan for a second. All those bins are full of just fantastic sugary sweets. And they do it by pound. So it's mix and match, bag it up, you're there. It's fantastic. This one, all gummy bears and gummy candies. This whole circle. So these are all different flavor gummy bears, and these are big gummy bears. And that's the little ones you buy at the 5 and dime store. And then they have the gummy frogs. And then they have these guys. Look at these big gummy bears. Huge. There's those. And then there's the babies. Snakes and 3D blocks. I mean, so this is the gummy section. Gummy sharks. Dude, they got gummy sharks. Gummy whales. Gummy pineapples. It's just a lot. So really, it's the variety that kind of blows me away. Gummy fried eggs, right? Who doesn't like a gummy fried egg? So that's that section. Then as you bounce over here, boom, they have all the candied balls. So there's malt balls. There's mint cookie balls. There's cinnamon, those really hot candies. There's espresso balls, which would be great. Lemon, cookies and cream. So it kind of repeats. But so that's the ball section. Then there's a chocolate section. I'm telling you, if you like candy, this place blows you away. This is all the candy. So these are all the candied pretzels and pralines and malt balls that have their chocolate covered. It's all this. Chocolate covered banana chips, dude. Stuff you know on Seaworld. Milk chocolate sandwich cookies. Awesome. And then you have the licorice ones. So here's the big black licorice. Not my favorite. Red. This is sour strawberry. Those are the strings. Those are rolls of strings. I mean, come on. And just goes around and around. And then they have the little nuggets. See, those are great. I love the nuggets. You can grab a handful of them and just slam them in your mouth. Now this has sour ribbons. We're not even done, guys. This is sour ribbons. We got all different flavors of just those ribbon candies that are just thin, super sour, got a great bite to them. Totally different, right? And now we're gonna spin right over the sour candies and go here. And this is all the Sour Patch Kids and sour candies that aren't ribbons. So they're all different shapes. They're all Sour Patch candies. So the brand name. And then they have the non-brand names. So think of like the jellies, but now add a very sour coating. That's what this table is. And then we spin off this, and you got Jelly Bellies. Popcorn and watermelon and cherry and blueberry. And then they have the 49 flavor mix. Not my favorite. I like picking with some of my Jelly Bellies. And then we go off here. And now they just have sours. Then we come over here. And they got Pez. Big gigantic vats of Pez. So if you don't want to get this little sleeve and put it in the little head guy, and they turn his head up to get a Pez out, just get a bag of them. Save yourself some time and pick the flavors you want. So that's sugar. Now we're gonna go around and look at this. So here's what I would say. This is Florida Parks After Dark. Like this video, first off. Just go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel because we're going to show you places like this. But for this place, it's on Sunset Walk, just outside Margaritaville, Orlando. At the front, it is fantastic. It's one of the first stores on your left when you come in. This is a have to. You need to come here. If you have a sweet tooth, there's not something you will not find here you will love. So, like this video, and subscribe to our channel, and we're going to show you other stuff. So you guys take care. Have a great day.